In this video I'm going to show you how to format your card on the Litchi app. I think it's a very important thing to do. Top corner, same subject, more videos you can watch, gives you an idea what I do, and also down below, under my video, is all the information about this video, what I'm using, what cameras I'm using, music and so on. So once you've got your drone set up, you've got the Litchi app on screen, the first thing you need to do, and I suggest you do it all the time, obviously make sure that you've downloaded all your stuff from the SD card before you try this. But if you go into settings, which is the top right hand corner, click on that, then click on camera, and then if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see format card, so you just press that, you OK it, and it just say the card's been formatted. It's as simple as that. But it's the most important thing to do, guys, because I've found when I've gone out over the years, sometimes you're in a hurry and you rush and you get your drone up, you're taking some fantastic footage, and then it starts breaking up, pixelating all over the place, and sometimes it's because there's too much on that card. So by cleaning the card completely every time you fly, and I don't mean every time you fly, I mean when you go out for the day flying, obviously you just format it at once and you go out for the day, do all your video footage, you come back, you download the footage, and then the next time you go out flying, format the card again. Because I've seen it so many times, guys, people go out, the picture starts breaking up, they're thinking what's going on, and usually it's because there's just too much on that card, so just clean it. So that was a simple procedure. Hope you found that useful, and next time I will show you something else that you can use on the Litchi app. So as always say, keep watching, because there'll always be something new coming out, and thanks for watching, guys.